What's up YouTube, it's your girl Spechel Nicole and I am back with another video. Today I am going to be doing a lock protective style, or what I at least consider a protective style on my hair. The style is going to be simple, beginner friendly, and short to medium length lock friendly. Of course, you girls with the long locks can do any style you want. This one though is for my girls who are at shoulder length or shorter. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this look or what the look is, keep watching. So I want to do a protective style look on my Microlocs because I am experiencing a lot of shrinkage. I don't know what's going on these past couple of weeks, but my hair has been shriveling up a lot quicker than normal throughout the week. So I am going to, and been frizzier than normal. I'm going to try to lock her down for a little while so that I don't have to keep trying to stretch my hair throughout the week or deal with the shrunken state that it likes to be in. Because when my hair shrivels up, it is a little harder to manage and put in ponytails and stuff for work. So what I'm going to do is kind of a half up, half down style that's going to include some barrel rolls and some 2-strand twists, but there will be no hair left out, so that is why I'm calling it a protective style. My hair will be all tucked and pinned away in a style. Let's get started. So all you're going to need for this style is going to be some handy dandy rubber bands, hairpins, some water, and that's really it. I have some style foam just here in case I have any little flyaways that I want to kind of tame down for the style, and then of course I have my edge control. But again, that is all you're gonna need for this simple style. So I'm gonna start by sectioning off my hair. Since this is a half up, half down style, I'm gonna try to get as neat of a part across the middle as possible, or at least find my part that is across the middle since I have going from my grid. So now that I have the front separated from the back, so I'm gonna just section off the back of my hair now because we're gonna work with the front first. So now I'm gonna begin to do the barrel rolls in the front of my hair. I think I'm gonna aim for 3 up into a top knot bun. If you haven't seen or are interested in knowing how to do barrel rolls, I have a tutorial on that and it will be linked down in the description box. I'm going to do a larger barrel roll in the center and then 2 small ones on this side. So I'm gonna section my hair off for that. Okay, I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna do 4 of them because this is a large section. I think I want them to be kind of smaller. Alright, let's barrel roll. Start with the side here, and I'm going to try to angle the barrel roll upwards so that I can make sure I'm going up into a bun. So I'm using a little water and a little bit of foam. And I'm only using the foam because my hair, like I said, has been frizzy. It's post retie, so it's not fresh, and I kind of just want it to be a little neat because I want to wear this for a few days. Again, I'm gonna start in the center. I'm gonna grab a few of the locks in the center and I'm gonna start a twist with them, and then I'm going to start grabbing from either side to form the barrel roll. Again, I have a tutorial on this where I break it down further. This is just a styling video. So we have one barrel roll down. I'm gonna take a rubber band just to secure it, and then I'm gonna move on to the rest of the front of my head. So I use a hairpin to secure this one because it's a little larger. Alright, and I'm gonna do the other two and then I'll be back. Alright, so I know I look crazy right now, but the barrels are done. Pretty simple, but I need to get the bun together. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I mentioned how I use hairpins on these center ones because they're a little wider and it's kind of easier. So I'm gonna try to get these upwards into a bun. These outer pieces, the outer barrels, I'm kind of going to twist up, but try not to do it too tight because you don't want barrels kind of put tension on your hair. I'm not even going to lie, but I try not to grab and twist too tight so I wouldn't have too much tension. So here I am going to twist these side barrels up towards the center, and I'm going to use some hairpins. Just tucked in, rolled, and pinned. And then I'm gonna do the same to this side. So we have it going up into this little situation right here. So now for the bun. So you have this little messy bun situation going on. For your bun, if you have Microloc extension hair, you can use it. I'm going to show you how to do it with just your hair. I'm just going to take a section and pin it, roll and pin. Of course, your bun is not going to be huge. And then I'm going to take another section and roll and pin it as well. I think I'm not even. Are we crooked? It's not the most even thing in the world. Alright, so now we have our little bun up top. Now for the back portion of our hair that we put away, we are going to do some 2-strand twists. I know, I look completely different than when y'all were last looking at me. The camera battery died, and while it died, I reevaluated the situation up here, and now I have it more to my liking. So come in and look. So now we have one barrel roll in the center and then just the 2 on the side. I tucked and pinned them and then made the bun. So it's essentially the same thing that we had going on when you last saw me, but I just updated it a smidge to be more symmetrical. And I will say it's easier to get the bun when you have the one in the center because you have more of your hair together, and it's easier to wrap it to have a bun without adding additional hair. So this is with my hair only. I did not add anything into it, and you can see it's still a nice decent size bun. I also went ahead and started doing my 2-strand twists while I was waiting for the battery to charge because it may die again. So yeah, we on the time crunch. But I've just been taking 2 or 3 twists, 2 or 3 locks and twisting them together and then placing a rubber band on the end. I have some left, so I'm gonna do those for y'all so you can get an idea of kind of what to do. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I have laid my little baby hairs down and pinned and secured everything. I'm gonna spin around so you can see the entire look. But again, this is my protective style, and I will probably try to wear this for about probably the rest of the week. So today's Tuesday, so I may take it out Saturday or Sunday depending on how I feel, but I'm gonna try to keep it like this all week, give my hair a break from manipulation and just let it stay tucked away and protected. I will say it's not a simple quick style, especially doing all of these mini twists in the back. I say it'll probably take you a good hour and a half to do this look. I don't have to mess with my hair the rest of the week besides lace my edges, so you know, pros and cons to it. So I'll bring y'all in so y'all can get a closer look at this style. Alright, that is the look. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section down below. Let me know if you have any questions about it in the comment section below. And also check out that barrel roll tutorial video. I'm going to put it in the description box so that you can figure out how to do some barrel rolls on your own Microlocs. And that's a wrap. I'll see y'all on the next one.